Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel SS Hub for Fundas and Concepts. I thank you all for your time, and if you are watching this for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Our today's topic is physical and chemical changes. Every day you may come across many changes in your surroundings. These changes may involve one or more substances. For example, your mother may ask you to dissolve sugar in water to make a cold drink. Making a sugar solution is a change. Similarly, setting curd from milk is a change. Sometimes milk becomes sour. Souring of milk is a change. Stretched rubber band also represents a change. Broadly, these changes are of two kinds: physical and chemical. Properties such as shape, size, color, and state of a substance are called its physical properties. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties is called a physical change. A physical change is generally reversible. In such a change, no new substance is formed. Now, let us consider the other kind of change: chemical change. A change with which you are quite familiar is rusting of iron. If you leave a piece of iron in open for some time, it acquires a film of brownish substance. This substance is called rust, and the process is called rusting. Iron gates of parks or farmlands, iron benches kept in lawns and gardens, almost every article of iron kept in the open gets rusted. At home, you must have seen shovels and spades getting rusted when exposed to the atmosphere for some time. In the kitchen, a wet iron pan or tawa often gets rusted if left in that state for some time. Rust is not iron. It is different from iron on which it gets deposited. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. Chemical changes are very important in our lives. All new substances are formed as a result of chemical changes. For example, if a metal is to be extracted from an ore, such as iron from iron ore, we need to carry out a series of chemical changes. A medicine is the end product of a chain of chemical reactions. Useful new materials such as plastics and detergents are produced by chemical reactions. Indeed, every new material is discovered by studying chemical changes. We have seen that one or more new substances are produced in a chemical change. In addition to new products, the following may accompany a chemical change. They are heat, light, or any other radiation may be given off or absorbed. Sound may be produced. A change in smell may take place or a new smell may be given off. A color change may take place. A gas may be formed. Burning of coal, wood, or leaves is also a chemical change. In fact, burning of any substance is a chemical change. Burning is always accompanied by production of heat. Explosion of a firework is a chemical change. You know that such an explosion produces heat, light, sound, and unpleasant gases that pollute the atmosphere. That is why you are advised not to play with fireworks. When food gets spoiled, it produces a foul smell. This is also a chemical change. When a slice of an apple acquires a brown color, if it is not consumed immediately, can also be termed as a chemical change. Rusting of iron. Now let us go back to rusting. This is one change that affects iron articles and slowly destroys them. Since iron is used in making bridges, ships, cars, truck bodies, and many other articles, the monetary loss due to rusting is huge. For rusting, the presence of both oxygen and water is essential. In fact, if the content of the moisture in air is high, which means if it is more humid, rusting becomes faster. So how do we prevent rusting? Prevent iron articles from coming into contact with oxygen or water or both. One simple way is to apply a coat of paint or grease. In fact, these coats should be applied regularly to prevent rusting. Another way is to deposit a layer of metal like chromium or zinc or iron. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. The iron pipes we use in our homes to carry water are galvanized to prevent rusting. You know that ships are made of iron and a part of them remains underwater. On the part above water also, water drops keep clinging to the ship's outer surface. Moreover, the water of the sea contains many salts. The salt water makes the process of rust formation faster. Therefore, ships suffer a lot of damage from rusting in spite of being painted. So much so that a fraction of ship's iron has to be replaced every year. Can you imagine the monetary loss to the world? Thus, rusting can be explained. Crystallization. In our previous class, we have learnt that salt can be formed by the evaporation of seawater. The salt obtained in this manner is not pure and its crystals are small. The shape of the crystals cannot be seen clearly. However, large crystals of pure substances can be formed from their chemical reaction. The process is called crystallization. So now you have learnt about the physical and chemical changes. As an exercise, please try to identify changes that you observe around you as physical or chemical changes. Henceforth, I want to introduce keywords for your easy memorization after explaining the chapter. In this topic, the keywords are chemical change, chemical reaction, physical change, rusting, galvanization, and crystallization. Let us summarize what was explained in this topic. Changes can be of two types: physical and chemical. Physical changes are changes in the physical properties of substances. No new substances are formed in these changes. These changes may be reversible. In chemical changes, new substances are produced. Some substances can be obtained in pure state from their solutions by crystallization. I thank you all for your listening. Please stay tuned to this channel for more updates. Cheers.